The most important question is, what are you actually going to learn in this course? You're going to learn a few things about programming because we're going to use Node.js, which is basically a JavaScript used as a server-side language, like C# or Java or C++ and so on. You will understand how to create Discord bots, and you will be able to continue developing these Discord bots further when the course is over. You will learn about data and objects. You're going to learn how Discord bot works, because learning a new skill, you will be able, in this case, to create cool bots using your creativity and skill. One big bonus as well is that by learning Node.js, which is a programming language, you will have a better understanding how software works in general. So I'm basically going to teach you how to create Discord bots, and I'm going to teach you a few things about programming, applications, etc. So this course is free, and I think that you should enroll in this course because we're going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to show you how to create Discord bots and show you how to analyze objects to actually pull data without having to go through documentation. So you're basically going to be like a data analyst, like a mini scientist basically, and that's really fun. You're basically going to console log the data object that is sent when someone types a command, and you're going to find data about channels, server, regions, users, members, and so on. So you will act as a scientist in one of the bots, which is the data analyzing bot. And I think that, yeah, you should enroll in this course because we're going to have a lot of fun, and this course is free, and it's going to be free forever. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.